Hi, I'm Clayton, a student at WVU Parkersburg. Today, we're going to review how to access and use our online bookstore. Type wvup.ecampus.com into your web browser. In the top right corner, click the Login button and then sign in via your school account. Enter the first section of your WVU Parkersburg email address, excluding @wvup.edu, and enter the password you created with Blackboard and other WVU Parkersburg services. You'll want to shop by your course schedule. You will then see a list of your classes and be able to purchase or rent the required materials. You can also view past orders. You can edit account information, view your digital bookshelf, manage your rentals and returns, and also sell your textbooks. Some online classes use different software to provide course materials and online assignments. This software requires purchasing or entering a code to access the class. Most of the time, professors will provide a temporary access code. This allows you to access the content for 1 to 2 weeks, so you have time to purchase an access code. To purchase an access code, select the link provided to you by your professor or type in the course number on the software. This might also appear on the eCampus website when you log in to purchase textbooks. You will then be prompted to purchase or type in an access code for the class. Once purchased, you will have access to the class for a limited amount of time, usually 1 to 2 semesters.